The welding project using scrap metal can be both creative and practical. Here are some ideas for welding project that can undertake using scrap metal. Create unique sculpture using various pieces of scrap metal. Consider animal abstract shapes or even human figures. Use a combination of welding techniques such as TIG, MIG, and the stick welding to join a different type of pieces together. Make a decorative items for your garden, outdoor space, and your home, such as metal flower, insects, and the wind chimes. Weld together various scrap metal pieces to form interesting and visually appealing garden and the ornaments. Building furniture pieces like table, chairs, benches using scrap metal, combining metal with the other metal like wood and the rustic look. Experiment with a different welding methods to achieve both structural integrity and the aesthetic appeal. Create practical items for your home like coat rack, even a beautiful dog with a beautiful turtle, and wine rack using scrap metal. Ensure that the welded joints are strong and durable for functional use. Design and weld unique wall art pieces using scrap metals. You can experiment with abstract design or create a beautiful scenes and pattern. Polish or paint the metal to enhance the visual. Construct a custom fireplace using a scrap metal and a beautiful weld together sheets metal to form a bowl and add a great touch of cooking if I desire. Ensure building a study tool rack or the storage unit on your workshop using scrap metal. This can help you to keep your tool organized and easily accessible. Add hook shelves and the compartments of different types of tools. Design and build bicycle rack for storage and display using scrap metal. This is a practical project that can enhance your home and the garage spaces too. Consider adding a decorative item to make the bike rack more visually appealing. Weld together a letter shapes and the beautiful numbers together. You also make a beautiful dog using a scrap metal. You can also create a beautiful owl using a pliers, some different nuts and bolt, and paint and finish to change to make it stand out. Use a scrap to create a whimsical or the futuristic robot of the birds and the unique characters. Always prioritize safety when welding. Include using appropriate protective gear and ensuring proper ventilation in your workspace. Additionally, be mindful to the type of the metals you are welding together, as a different metal may require different welding techniques. Thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching our video. I hope you have enjoyed our video. If you want to watch a more video like this, please visit our channel and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and the beautiful videos. Thank you so much.